guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simple recipe. For this recipe, all we're going to use is whole milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cinnamon stick, 5 eggs, and some vanilla extract. For this recipe, I'm going to be using half a gallon of milk. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna heat up some milk, and we're gonna throw in our cinnamon stick, and we're gonna throw in our sugar, 1 cup of sugar. And then the last thing, we're gonna add some vanilla. Okay, so once your milk is done and it's come to a boil, you're gonna let it cool down. Once the milk has cooled down, you're going to be adding your eggs into the mixture. Once your mixture is warm enough, start filling up your glass cups. Next, get 2 cups of water and fill your glass-safe oven containers halfway. I'm going to be preheating my oven to 400 degrees.